Oh, hey, good morning. I'm hoping this is the last leg of this little project, because today what I'm going to do is make a sidewalk, go straight out there to that wall and turn left into the pad I poured that goes down the driveway. So, and then I'm going to put some rocks over here for drainage. I'm going to put mulch on this side of the sidewalk. So I have the sidewalk, mulch, and rock. And hopefully I've got everything I need, because I'm tired of making trips to the store. My little van only carries so much weight, so I can only, do what I can do. But anyway, I'm going to take a little bit of video and a few pictures along the way doing this today. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And let's get on with this little project. Now what I'm doing here is I'm putting these boards down so I can get the dirt kind of level, and then I'm going to compact that down before I put my sand on top of it for leveling. I'm also using one of the pavers right there and make sure it's level with my sidewalk coming off the driveway, and then that way it'll be level coming out to here and then back this way to the patio, which I'll show you in a minute. But this, I've got this pretty much like I want it. I'm going to pack it down good. So I'm going to continue to do that and pack that down real good. Then I'm going to clean it off and put a little bit of the white sand there. And then make sure it's good and flat and level, and pack it again with the compactor. And then we can put 4 tiles right there, or 4 pavers right there at the end, and that'll make it line up with the sidewalk coming back this way, going to the patio, which I'll show you a better picture in a minute, or a better video. So that's what I'm doing right now, using these boards as a guide for a screed and everything. I put the level on to make sure that they're going downhill this way. They're going downhill this way just a little bit, not much. So I want it to go downhill that way just a little bit. It's going to be about 1 inch from the end over here to over there, flowing that way, so if there is any standing water in here, it'll go down the driveway and out to the street. So we're keeping all that in mind and doing all these pavers and things. We're keeping that in mind to get the water off the patio, down the sidewalk, down the driveway, and all out of here, man, because you don't want to build anything here that's going to hold water and cause a problem. So that's what we're trying to avoid. So anyway, I'm going to compact this a little bit, maybe scrape that down just a tiny bit and put my sand here. And then I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so now I got my base down, I got it compacted. Now I'm putting my sand here and screening it and making it nice and level so I can start putting the pavers in. But I got to get this level all the way out, and then I got to work from that direction back over here to make it come together. Let me back up and show you a better picture. So for this angle, I think you can see a little bit better. This is the patio edge right here. We're going that way with the sidewalk all the way over to there, and then turn left. And that's what we're going to do today. Hopefully I can get it finished today. I'm old and slow, but we'll see. So that's what we're doing. And that's what you got to do to prep for it over there. So I'm going to turn the camera off for now and do a little bit more prepping, and I'll come back and show you what I'm doing. Nope, that's not the pavers, that's just the sand. So I've got the sand smoothed out over to there, and now I got to go that way over to the patio and do the same thing. And I was just measuring the tiles, the pavers, and it would be 94 inches from there to the edge of this one, 94 inches. So, that might be what we do. Just come out here, come out 94 inches, go straight out, and see how that works out. Oh, hey, good morning, everybody. Yep, this is the last day on the paver stuff. And the last thing I'm going to do is put this edging in. And that's going to keep the sand in underneath there. And then when I landscape over here, that'll help keep this in up against there. And that's the last thing we got to do here to finish up this little project. And if you stayed for all the videos, I really appreciate it. But next, I got to do some landscaping, fill in behind that wall over there, get rid of all this hurricane debris, because I haven't had a chance to do that because I was working on the patio and the gutters, and got a lot more to do. But anyway, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for future notifications if you like my videos. I hope you do. And come back and see me on the next one. So you guys have an awesome day. And this is Harold signing off, baby. I hope you like the videos.